You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, so this is a very interesting one. This is a Japanese brand of powered tools. I know everybody in the US at least, probably in the UK as well, I'm not sure. Let us know in the comments. Say Ryobi, right? So I guess the most common pronunciation in English is Ryobi, but in Japanese, well, it is said as Ryobi, Ryobi. So in English, if you want to sort of emulate the Japanese pronunciation, Ryobi. Yeah, Ryobi is how, it is said more correctly. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.